This is a CRT slip-on exhaust by SC Project, available at accessoryinternational.com. Now this is the CRT exhaust, a multiple world champion muffler produced as a race replica that's designed for aggressive riders who are looking for a light but loud exhaust. Now the CRT exhaust offers performance gains and weight savings which have been developed through SC Project's involvement in the MotoGP and Moto2 championships. Now as we observe the cosmetics of the muffler, you could see the racing look that SC Project implemented in the CRT design with a short canister and sleek look. And to move into the back side here, you can also observe the unrestricted large diameter exhaust outlet meant to give you a strong exhaust note coming from your motorcycle. Now keep in mind the materials used in the CRT exhaust are some of the world's most technologically advanced materials, and they're measured in at aeronautical grade materials, which again are all ultimately designed to give you, the end user, the highest performance possible. Now all bike specific hardware will also be included with the exhaust, and a 24-month factory warranty defect is also going to be included with the pipes. Now remember, this exhaust does exceed that $99 mark, so it does qualify for free shipping, and if you order it and don't like it for whatever reason, you can always return it back to us. Just make sure it's in new conditions, unused, and in the original packaging. Now, if you have any questions for us, always feel free to give us a call at 786-242-5400. I'm Alex at Accessories International, and thanks for tuning in today.